Hello everyone. This is a video about the synopsis of the chapter Mathematical Reasoning. It starts with the concept of statement. Now, what is a statement? Any sentence is acceptable as mathematical statement if it is either a true statement or a false statement, but it cannot be both. It is generally denoted as an alphabet followed by a colon and then the statement. For example, P colon sun is a star. Next comes the compound statement. Compound statement is a combination of multiple mathematical statements connected through some logical connections. The next concept is negation of a statement. If any statement is denied being true, then that it is the negation of the statement. If a statement is denoted by P, then the negation is denoted by this symbol, that's negation of P. Next important concept is called as logical operations. The compound statements are connected by some logical operations. These logical operations are denoted by some special words or phrases, also called as connectives. In that, first connective is called as AND operation. If each of the component statement in a compound statement are true, then the compound statement is true. Even if any one of the component statement using is false, then the compound statement is false. And it is denoted by the symbol caret. This is called as caret. So this is the truth table for the AND operation. You should remember this. The AND operation is true in only one case, which is both the statements P and Q are true. In all other cases, the compound statement will be false. The next operation is OR operation. If any one or more than one component statements of a compound statement is or true, then the compound statement is true. The compound statement using OR is false only if all the component statements are false. And it is denoted by the symbol reverse caret or just like small v. And this is the truth table for the OR operation. Here we should remember this. The OR operation is false only in the case of both statements are false. Otherwise, it will be true. The next operation is implies. A compound statement A implies B means the statement A is enough condition for statement B and vice versa. It is denoted as P implies Q. And this is the truth table for the implies operation. And here you should remember this. Implies is false only in the case of first statement is true and second statement is false. In all other cases, the implies is a true statement. Next comes if and only if. It is a connective between the statements where either both statements are true or both are false. And this is the truth table. Here you can observe that it is very simple. If both are true, then the condition if and only if is true. If both are false, then also the condition is true. If one statement is false, then if and only if will be false. Next comes some important types of statements. In that first one, tautology. A compound statement is a tautology if and only if it is always a true statement. Next comes fallery. A compound statement is a fallery if and only if it is always a false statement. Contradiction. A statement P is a contradiction to another statement Q if Q is equal to negation of P. Next comes converse. If a compound statement is if P then Q, the converse of the statement is if Q then P. It is denoted as if P implies Q, then Q implies phi. And the final one is contrapositive. If a compound statement is if P then Q, the contrapositive of the statement is if not P then not Q. So these are some of the important concepts which help us while solving the problems of competitive exams.